Hello everybody, welcome to this new video where I will demonstrate some new capabilities of our TIBCO latest platform release. I am Michel Leidecker and I work as an account technology strategist here at TIBCO. In this demonstration I will showcase the use of TIBCO Platform Alerting in combination with the new Flogo Agentic AI activity as an error agent in Flogo. Let's first have a look at the scenario. In TIBCO Platform, we will monitor for erroneous Flogo applications via the TIBCO Platform Alerting Manager. Via some configuration, it will check on errors every 5 minutes, and when errors are detected, it will send an alert notification to a webhook endpoint. That webhook endpoint is the trigger for our Flogo AI agent to start investigating the error situation in more detail. In a step-by-step prompt, the AI agent activity will try to reason and collect information on this received alert to create an error analysis report. The AI agent will make use of the standard TIBCO Platform MCP service to request additional information of the status of the application and the platform. This to determine the actual situation that resulted to the error status of the application. The agent will then log the findings to the agent log file as an output. Now let's have a look at the platform side of this demonstration. In TIBCO Platform there are two places where alert configuration is done. First you would have the alerts in the main menu and there's also a configuration setting for the alert receivers on the data plane level, which I will show you later. First have a look at this alert menu. Here you can define new alerts, and as you can see we already have some alerts configured here in this environment. So there's one Flogo alert on email notification and there's one on the webhook notification. This webhook notification is important in our AI scenario. Let's have a look at the details of this alert configuration. It will have a name and a description to run on a certain data plane, and it determines on what applications and what kind of errors it should act. So this is one for all Flogo applications, and critical errors should trigger an alert. It will monitor every 5 minutes for these alerts, and it will send an alert once the fault percentage is 1% as opposed to the one of the measuring before. So it will trigger after if there's a 1% increase of errors. Then it will use a notification channel, which is webhook, and it is configured to send it to the Emily webhook Flogo configuration. As said, that is configured in the data plane settings. Let's have a look there. So if I go to the data planes, then we have an overview of all the data planes in this environment. There's global configuration, and you can see there's an alert receiver configuration. We would have email receivers and webhook receivers. In this case, the webhook receiver corresponds to the Flogo AI agent that is listening to receive this alert notification from the TIBCO platform. Now let's have a look how this alerting and agentic AI in Flogo works in runtime. We have to go to the data planes to go into the data plane that the actual solution is running in. If we open the data plane, we can see we have several capabilities available here. One of them is the Flogo capability. And if I look into the applications and I select all Flogos and then search for the alert related ones, I find two applications that has a relation to alerts. One of them is the alert trigger that I will use to fire the alert, to fire some errors, and this one is the actual AI platform agent that we deployed in the platform. Let's open this alert trigger one, And we can see that in the monitoring it hasn't run today, so there's also no tracing data available. So let's fire some events and errors to trigger the error alert in the platform. So we can test the integration here, and this is just a matter of executing it multiple times so that there's errors are occurring in the Flogo capability related to this application. Should be enough to trigger the alert. So if we go back to the control plane, we can now see in the monitoring that I invoked it 27 times. So that should be enough to trigger the AI alert within the 5-minute time frame that it is looking for the alert via the alert rule. So open the traces, and we can see that we've fired some errors there. So that has really happened in the platform. And now let's wait for the alert to happen. Well, the platform is now evaluating the error situation and trying to find out if he should send an alert. Let's have a look at the design time of this demo. I opened up the Visual Studio Code environment where our Flogo extension is running in, and I have here the source of the AI platform alert agent that is deployed also in the platform. So if I open up the Flogo file, we can see that there's one flow, investigate error alert flow, and that it's triggered by a webhook. But before we go into the details, let's have a look at the properties here. In the connection tab, there is the configuration to the LLM model that we use in this AI agent. So in this case, we use the OpenAI LLM provider. And the configuration is just a straightforward OpenAI API reference with an API key that is used to connect to the OpenAI LLM. For the reasoning and finding out what is wrong in the platform, we use the MCP services of the TIBCO platform. So in order to call them, we also have this MCP server connection available, in this case to the control plane MCP server, and that is targeted toward the platform endpoint with some OAuth token that is used for authentication. And then here you can also specify which tools you want to use that are derived from this MCP server. So now let's have a look at the actual flow. If we go to flows and we open up the investigate error alert flow, then we can see that we here have a trigger point that is the webhook receive. If I open it up, it's just a straightforward HTTP trigger with a context path that is called to be called. So the webhook platform will send to the /alerts Flogo path his event message. And then after receival, it will log the alert message as an initial log. Just receive this alert, and then in here is the AI agent activity that has been added as part of the technical preview that is now available in Flogo. So there's Agentic AI preview activity that we used here to work with this use case. So open this activity. We can see we have some settings on the OpenAI connection. So I can specify which LLM model I want to use. I can also specify some temperature settings, which is important for the level of reasoning it does in more detail or more thoroughly. We can enable some guardrails, so I can set a rate limit and a token limit if I want to be used by this agent call. And in here, there's also the list of MCP servers that I want to use in this agentic agent activity. I can provide it with a system prompt. This is not so helpful, but I put all the instructions in the user prompt for this use case. So let's have a look at that. If I go to the input mapping, there's a user prompt mapping that I did, and in here I specified the 6 steps that the agent should do to try to find out what is happening in the platform. So it should read the email or the alert message, and then determine the application name from it and what data plane it used, and then use the MCP service to collect more information on Flogo or application type, where it is running, what the status is, and if there's observability and trace data available. And then it will create a nice summarized overview of the alert description, and alert message. So that's how I specified this alert agent this alert agent to perform its investigation. After validation, we can then determine what we want to do. We can run it locally as just an executable, Flogo executable here in this Visual Studio Code environment. And we can choose to deploy it to the actual TIBCO platform, and that is what we did in the use case. Yes, the alert has been fired. We know that because we received an email via the email alert notification. So if I open up this one, we can see the details here on the alert. It has a name, and so this is how the email notification looks like. But also it should have sent the webhook trigger. So let's see in the platform how that worked and if that worked. So if we go back to the platform control plane, open the data planes, go to our data plane, and search again for all alert related applications. We can open the AI platform alert agent that also has been running. And if we open the monitoring, we can see that it indeed ran with one instance. It took somewhat of 53 milliseconds to run. So let's see what it actually did. Also, tracing information is collected. So in the tracing you can see that it ran, and that it also ran the AI agent activity to determine what happened on this error, and see what happened in the platform, what the status of the applications is. So we can find more information in the logs, since I sent the summary of the result of the AI agent to the log file. And if I open up the history log, for example, we can see that indeed there was an email received, and that the agent ran and collected all kind of information via the platform MCP servers. So this is actually from the alert notification that we also saw in the email. It is in the webhook. It is also the data plane ID, the application, and let's see what it found more and researched. So it found that it is running. It's a Flogo application, but it also found details on the provision of Flogo, manage the versions of the Flogo that is running in the Flogo capability that comes from the Flogo MCP server. More capability details on what data plane it is used, and where it is running, what version it is from the capability, but also from the endpoint. So it was called over an endpoint, the alert trigger, endpoint information, the ingress that is used, Swagger documents that are available, that it is known. Also information about the actual hotel and tracing information. So it found out that the app is running, and it created a summary where it summarized the most important information. Yeah, it found that the application is still running in alert state. It is running in a pod instance, so if you want to have a look in the Kubernetes beneath this platform, you will be able to investigate further. Well, that concludes this demonstration of our platform alerting and AI agent that performs analysis on this alert triggering. I hope you find it insightful, and I would like to see you next time when I have some new functionalities that I can share with you. If you want in the meantime to know more about TIBCO Flogo, there's a lot of resources available for you on the web with the documentation, samples, videos and blogs that can help you to play around and test with this new agentic AI features in Flogo. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.